Hi everyone, my name is Greg from the Laser channel where we learn, create, and share. Today I'm going to be taking a look at the DC21 dashcam by Lamtto. The DC21 is a 4-channel dashcam with a front, rear, and 2 side cameras to capture every angle in stunning 1080p resolution. This is going to be perfect for daily drivers and those who do ride-sharing services. Let's check out the box art as I cover just a couple of the many features on this dashcam. Unlike other dashcams, the DC1 includes a hardware kit as a standard feature, ensuring uninterrupted power for monitoring. There's loop recording to overwrite old files and a G sensor to lock out clips during sudden impacts. This keeps important footage safe without worrying about full storage, perfect for long trips or daily use. The IR clear night vision is perfect for nighttime driving. I'll have a link down in the video description for you to check out more details and features. Next, let's check out everything that's included with the dashcam. This is a very complete kit. Let's do a brief overview of everything that's included, starting out with the quick guide. And if I have any questions, there's a QR code that I can scan to help with the installation or any questions that I may have. A high quality and detailed installation manual and user guide. A 128 gig SD card. There's 2 mounting plates so I can swap the dashcam between 2 different vehicles. 12-volt cigarette lighter power supply with a USB-C connector and USB charging port. This cable is 9.8 feet long. Rear-facing camera with nearly 20 feet of cable. Wiring harness for those who don't have a 12-volt socket. A USB-C cable and several mounting clips to help tidy up the wiring. When it comes time to remove the mounting pads, the kit even includes this non-abrasive pry bar tool. This is definitely a very complete kit, and next up, it's time for the install. I'm going to show you just how easy it is to install by sharing some of the highlights during my installation. I'll start by mounting the main unit to the windshield. After that, I'll route the power wire, making sure it's neatly tucked out of the way. I've got the dash cam powered up, and temporarily I've wired in the rear facing camera because I want to make sure that I don't have it upside down, and it looks like the stickers need to face up. That way the camera has the correct orientation. Installation was quick and easy, and now for the fun part, to go for a test drive. Nothing beats good driving habits. It's also a lot of peace of mind having all these cameras around the vehicle recording everything that's going on. I'm Greg from the Laser channel. Thanks for joining me in this video, and until we meet again in the next video, learn, create, and share.